Hva klokka? What's the time? So let us look at how we speak and how we think about time in Norwegian. Let's start with 12 o'clock, and here the question is hva klokka? And I will respond with klokka 12 or den 12. Klokka is feminine, I use the pronoun den. Klokka 12, den 12. 12:05, I will say klokka 5:12. So 5 minutes past 12. 5:12 or den 5:12. Klokka 10:12. Den 10:12. 10 minutes past 12. Klokka 12:15. Den 12:15. But here we come to something quite special. If it is 12:20, Norwegians will think that it is 10 minutes to 12:30. Or what we will say is klokka 10:30. 10 minutes to 12:30 or 12:30. So den 10:30. Klokka 5:30. So it's 5 minutes to 12:30. 12:30 will be 12:30 literally. Klokka 12:30. Den 12:30. And 12:35, guess what? Klokka 5:05. So it's 5 minutes past 12:30. 5:05. Klokka 10:10. So it's 10 minutes past 12:30. 10:10. Klokka 1:15. 1:45. Quite logical. Klokka 10:10. 10 minutes to 1. Klokka 5:05. And klokka 1. So this is how we think about time in Norwegian.